Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover, power button board, system board, and display panel assembly. Removal. Carefully separate the edges of the display panel from the display enclosure. Lift the display panel and position it so that you have access to the right display panel hinge. Remove the three 2.5mm P0 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Remove the right display panel hinge from the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Remove the display panel. Replacement. Note: if you are installing a new display panel, remove the following from the old display panel and install on the new display panel. Display panel cable. Place the display panel into position on the display enclosure so that you have access to the location of the right display panel hinge. Route the display panel cable through the hinge cover and place the right display panel hinge onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the three 2.5mm P0 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Place the display panel into position on the display enclosure. Carefully apply pressure around the outside edges of the display panel until it snaps onto the display enclosure.